Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to save your TikTok without watermark. So first, just simply open up your TikTok application into your device. So guys, from here to save TikTok without watermark, for example, I am going to create a post. I'm gonna tap on the plus icon at the middle. So guys, here for example, I am going to create a video, and this is just an example video guys, just to show you. So now just do the usual process of creating a video. You can edit it out and tap on next. And now the feature of TikTok over here, you will have more options. Go ahead and tap on it. And now guys, if you scroll down over here, as you can see, make sure to make the save to device or turn on, so your post will be saved to the device. And from here, make sure to turn off save posts with watermark. So guys, make sure that this is turned off to save your TikTok without watermark, and select post video. Now, once you have posted it, guys, from here to download it, you can just simply select the three dots over here on your video. And here, as you can see, you should be able to have an option download down below in order for you to download your video. And from here, when you go to your gallery, as you can see over here, you should be able to have your video without any watermark. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.